hiding in here. This is the worst spot.
Hey guys, so we
Get
are
Mom
having.
and son. You guys can't see us, and we're sorry that you. We can't see me. No, ow! Hey guys.
We're having a blackout right now because we have
Tornadoes.
tornado warnings and really bad storms coming out. You think Oreo's okay?
Oh
Oreo's fine.
no! No, we're putting him inside. Oh, we're putting him inside.
But
Mom, you're going outside to put him in.
huh?
You're going outside to put him in.
Can you go with Avery, please? It's dark in there.
Quit recording. She's scared.
Hey, wait, I want him. Here you go.
I told Brooke to come on over, so kind of watch.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
That's why I went over there in the kitchen. Wasn't I heading for the kitchen, Riley?
I just not told her that, Mom.
Mom, I heard you tell her.
Amy, come here.
Oh, light a lamp too. That's in there. It's on the fireplace. I wanted to put it in the kitchen.
The oil lamps?
Yeah.
Here, Riley. Here's the flashlight. Hold it for Avery.
Do you need it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
But it's, as you can look, you guys can tell that it's like completely dark outside. See? Got like some really bad storms coming, like really bad storms. Update, guys. So we still have no power. It's completely pitch black out there. Our neighbor came. We had a bad storm. Our neighbor came and a tree went and fell out and right beside her house, almost fell on the house. So I just wanted to give a little update. See, we have no power. We have the kerosene lamps on. It's like no power at all.
Why did you turn the light on?
So I'll give another update in a little bit. We've been without power for about 20 minutes now, so don't know if we'll end up getting it back on tonight. But keep you updated. Power's back on after like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. No, more like 2 hours, right?
No one cares.
Yeah, well, anyways, more like 2 hours of the power being off. It's back on. Our neighbor, I went over there to check it.
On.
I went over there to check out the, what is that? To check out the trees that had fallen in their backyard. And it doesn't show right here. Careful, it's wet right here.
Why?
To check out the trees that had fallen in their backyard. And a tip, oh, that was close. And one of our trees from the very, very tip of the pine tree actually fell down right beside the house. If it was 5 feet more over, it would have fallen right onto their roof, right into their living room. So I'm glad that that didn't happen. But it's a big mess to clean up now. And actually a tree in their yard actually broke off and fell into one of the other neighbors. Put it back. One of the other neighbors' yards and hit their shed. So hopefully it's not too damaged to
It's
where...
not your fault.
Weirdo.
Weirdo.
Anyway, I'm
Anyway,
gonna
I'm
get off here.
Go out here.
Please stop.
Why? Please stop.
I'm gonna get off and then I'm gonna go and tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to work tomorrow. Because the power, hey, stop that! Because the power was really bad. Right, stop! Because the power was really, you know, the storm was really bad and the power was out and everything, so I don't know if we'll be going to work tomorrow or...
I don't know if we'll be going to school tomorrow.
You will, because the power's back on, but I don't know what happened. I don't know if there's like anything messed up at the...
We don't know if there's anything messed up at school.
Lights are back on in the gym, so...
Lucky.
Yeah, I'm lucky. Anyway,
You're lucky because you have one more day of school. I have to
work?
What?
Yeah,
I have to go to school
one
for
more
9
day.
more years.
I got one more day left.
No, I need to go to school for like 20 more years.
No, 9 more years. Anyways, guys, I will show you. I will show you the
Do I
trees
have to
and
go to
stuff
college?
tomorrow. Yeah, no.
Yes.
As long as you make it big on YouTube, you don't have to go to college.
What if I do have to go to college? But I have 1 million subscribers. What if subscribers?
100,000 and counting, you don't have to go to college.
What if I have 1,000?
You have to go to college.
2,000?
College, dude. I'll show you guys the trees in the morning. Or tomorrow after work or something.
I want to see if you go to work.
If I go to work. Alright guys, that's it for, I keep wanting to look at the viewfinder because I keep wanting to see myself as I'm talking, which I should be talking to you. Ew, your hands stink, dude. Go wash your hands.
I didn't get questions.
Just stick your... Just stick your hands in your pants or something?
No.
Bro.
Fix my wedgie.
Ew, see, he fixed his wedgie and that's what I smell, his underwear. Alright guys, I'll see you all later. Have a wonderful evening,
Have a wonderful day.
wherever you are. That is not our saying. We need a saying. If you guys would like us to have a saying, let us know and we will see you all tomorrow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little bell.
And check out the merch.
And become a part of the Gamer Fam.
And check out the merch, and there's gonna be a new design. There's gonna be a new design coming out this week, so make sure you go check it out.
It's limited. It's limited. It's only limited. It's only for a week.
Peace. Link in the description below. Go check it out. Bye.
No. Anything. Link in bio. Hey guys, we're back to another vlog. And today, let's just mute this real quick. Here you go, guys. So yeah, this is the first vlog of April, I think. Yeah, the first vlog of April. And yeah. My Nana is in, guys. My Nana is in there. I just zoom in on it. Nana's in there. I can actually see her. Yep. And yeah, I'm going to go find my mom. Ow! My feet. Ow! Okay, guys, let's just try to find my mom. Where is she? Here she is!
We don't vlog in my camera.
I'm vlogging. Ow! Ow!
It's still pretty bad outside. The wind's still pretty strong.
So, this is plugged in. Okay, now all we need to do, Hon. It's another plan. Guys, where is like the Hammond saying at?
Just anywhere.
So Nana, go Nana.
Riley. Still really windy outside. They're still out there watching the tree.
Who is?
David and that guy.
Oh,
In Brooklyn.
What guy?
His neighbor actually.
Yeah, they do now.
We turned the air on.
I did. It was getting really hot. It was 68 degrees in here.
Okay. So which way I turn it to? I don't want it turned completely off, but
What do you mean? It's on auto.
I know, but I don't want it to be this cold in here at night.
When you turn it up, the red means.
Did you lock the back door?
But it's that bust.
The red means heat, the blue means cold. Just think of blue as the water faucets.
I know. Should you lock the back door?
Yes.
The guys, it's so sorry.
My pop, it seems like somebody drank it because somebody got like that much in it. I don't remember drinking it.
I didn't drink anything.
Look at his smile.
I didn't. Ow!
Guilty.
No, I'm not.
He's guilty.
No, I'm not. I'm not guilty.
You're guilty.
No, I'm not.
Uh-oh, she shut the door.
No!
recorded. But he doesn't know I secretly recorded. So I am.
Tomorrow's my last day. Oh, we're almost done. We're about done. Either tomorrow's my last day, or Thursday's gonna be a half a day.
Stop.
Go. Or Thursday's gonna be
Mommy, hold this camera real quick. I need to show you something cool I can do. Guys, my friend, he can just like look, he runs like this, does a backflip 360, lands like that, and then does a hand back.
Oh, which friend?
Jerry. You don't know him. He's in a different class.
Oh.
He's still so good. I'm not gonna do that. No, he can do it on the ground.
Okay. Weirdo.
Mom, can you please be wrapped?
No! Everyone's going to sleep and you're shaking the whole house. Say bye! No! Hey guys, so it is the day after the big storm that we had last night. Trees are blowing down. The power went out for like 3 hours last night. I just want to show you guys real quick. This tree right here. It's just me, I'm sorry. I just want to take a picture of the tree. Huh? Oh, it's just me. I just wanted to take a picture of the tree and record it. Dang! Oh my gosh, it's bigger in the day.
Yeah. It's bigger than it looked.
Wow, I know. I thought it was just that part. I didn't see this over here.
Yeah, it's drove the posts to
Oh
that pool and everything.
my gosh.
Turn that fence or turn the bench over, and 'cause the bench is under it right over there.
Well, we got a chainsaw if you guys want to use cut it up, and I'll help.
Well, a guy that the people I babysit for,
Yeah.
he wants to come over and help David do it Sunday. And I already told him that he could.
Okay.
And if his little thing doesn't work, I'm not sure what he's got, but if his doesn't work,
Well, we have a
get
gas
me off.
chainsaw, so
Okay, yeah.
it'll work. But
Usually just
Riley.
she's just now letting me out of her sight.
oh, really? Riley was crying last night. He didn't want to go to bed by himself. I got so mad because I tried. He's 9 years old, you know, but still, I tried, you know, calmly telling him that it's okay, it's over with, you know. I was like, go to bed, and he was not listening to me. And then he started crying, and I was getting kind of frustrated and upset with him. But guys, see how big the tree is? Yeah.
That's not the only one.
Yeah.
There's one on that other side down too.
Is that, or was that already down?
That's one that fell whenever it ripped the meter off the house.
Oh, that was a while back, right? But yeah, this tree right here came from all the way up there. It was that tall. It broke off. And it almost landed right on their roof. You can see how close it is from their roof to the tree. But dang, look at that. And then there's another one. Guys, here's another tree that fell down. See? This is the second tree that fell down from the storm last night. You see where it broke off right there. It actually landed on their shed. You can see the shed broken. Right there. Wow. And then I know that there's another tree right over there that broke down. Right over there, you can see it. Dang. That one almost landed on their house. And then this one right here almost landed on their house. So everybody's lucky. I'm glad that nobody seriously got injured. I'm happy that nobody got hurt. This is serious. Look at that. Avery, what scared you? Guys, she is terrified. She's playing with her ball, and it rolls over there, and then she goes and grabs it, and then she comes back to me, want to dig her face into the ball and in me, and she says it scares me. What's the matter, huh? See, she doesn't want to leave the ball, but she's trying so hard to come near me. She won't leave. What's the matter, Avery? Huh? Tell Mommy. What's wrong? What? Let's see what happens. What's the matter? Here, Mommy, show you. Go over there. Look. What's the matter? What scared you? Huh? What are you doing? You're making it blurry. Where's ball? Scare you? What scare you? Avery, what scare you? Give me my phone. What scare you? Huh? What scare you? There's nothing there. You're messy. Give Mommy a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Oh, what scare you? Okay, get down. Oh. What? You okay? You wanna go get the ball? Hide. What scare you? What scares you? Hi. Tease. Scare you? You weird hug. I love you.
Bye.
Bye. What is that? Huh? What? Go get the ball. Go get it. Give me the ball. Go give me the ball. Guys, just the other day, my mom was watching her, and she said that she was in the kitchen, and Avery was in the dining room, and then she just starts running to the kitchen to my mom, screaming like something scared the crap out of her. I don't know what it is, but she's starting to notice things in this house. Now, if you guys know me, I've talked about it before, about this house being haunted. What? Oh, you okay? See her trying to run so fast away from there? You okay? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, you're okay. You okay? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, Mommy's got it. Uh-oh. There goes the ball. Scare you? Who scared you, Avery? What scared you? What scared you, Avery?
Gimme.
Show mommy. Who scared you?
Gimme.
What did?
Gimme.
Where are they? You don't know? You want to show mommy where they are? Who scared you? Show mommy who scared you. Show mommy who scared you. You want to show mommy who scared you? You don't know? But anyways, guys, you can see like the scared look on her face. So if anything else happens, I'll pick it back up. If anything else happens, I'll pick it back up.
I'll go.
But oh, thank you. Go get it. She doesn't even want to go get the ball. Go get the ball.
No.
Go get it.
No.
Why?
Gimme.
No, that's mommy's. Go get the ball.
Papa.
Bring me the ball.
Gimme. Gimme.
Scare you. Push the ball over here. Give me the ball.
I did it.
You did it.
Gimme.
It didn't scare you?
I like it.
Okay, bye-bye. Last Christmas, my sister was supposed to send my mom a Christmas present, and she wasn't able to send it off. And she finally sent it off, and it's here today, April 6th, when it's supposed to be here, December 25th. But anyways, it's here. I know what it is, but my mom doesn't know what it is. So we're gonna find out what it is. Wait!
Wait, I'm just poking holes in it, trying to open it.
She's too excited, she can't wait. Let me take a picture with my phone.
Well, I've been waiting for it since December, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, December 25th. It was supposed to be a Christmas present.
That it got here. Who cares how long it took? It got here.
Ah, you moved. Uh-oh.
I'm moving.
Uh-oh, don't move. Wait, pause. Freeze. There we go, for a picture.
Yes.
Huh?
It's big.
I know what it is. Can you take a guess?
No, because I'm fixing to find out myself what it is.
Can you take a guess, though, real quick, before everybody sees what it is?
Nope.
Take a
I
guess.
don't know what it is.
You had guesses.
Don't
Mommy.
show my dirty bedroom.
Whoop.
It's from JCPenney's.
Jai Sai Pani.
Oh, I can't see what it is. No, I can't get hold of it. What's it? Oh, record player!
Stupid camera! My camera's so slow. Wait, okay, we gotta take a retake. Ready? Pretend to pull it out, and then I take a picture, and you gotta go and go, ah! Oh! Hold on, wait. There we go.
Record player, record player.
Hee 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 hee.
You don't have to have speakers, I hope.
It's because my sister went and got her. Was it what? She was asking you stuff, and then you were telling her stuff, and then she went. She got you something, and one thing you were wanting the most was a record player.
Yeah.
So see. Oh, it looks old-fashioned.
Where's Avery?
Right here. Playing in your drawer.
Don't let me get into there's stuff in there. Oh, it's tiny. I thought it would be bigger.
Karina, she wants a bigger one.
No, that's fine. As long as it plays record players.
Avery.
Records.
No. Go. You gotta get out of there. I know. Found you a little mini remote control. Where's your records at?
Mommy.
That's like a
closet.
cloth. I'm gonna go pick a record out.
Look, I can hook it up to different stuff too.
Mommy.
Okay, let's just get any record from right here. I don't know if I can.
Lena.
Let's hold this.
Lena.
Okay.
You gotta pull all those records out for me.
And hold on. Let's pull one out right now. Who is this? The Osmonds. Watch out, Avery. Let's go. Let's go. Go.
A miracle.
It's live, the Osmonds. Ah, watch out, I can't go. I just picked out any random one.
Yeah, that can hook up over there. Hey, she's in there.
Avery! Come here.
Summer records.
Hey, get out. Go. Go, Nana. Go look. Go dance. Go dance with Nana. Go dance with Nana.
Here, Avery.
Oh, here's one. No, I want this one better.
Right, Lynn?
Yeah, you ain't woman enough to take my man. There it goes.
It hurt me.
You know how to do it? You're scared, ain't you?
Yeah. My God, what happened? Oh, the case. Here we go. You come to tell me something. You say I ought to know. You don't love me anymore, and I'll have to let you go.
Sing!
You say you're gonna take him, oh, but I don't think you can. 'Cause you
You
ain't
ain't woman enough to take my man.
Bow. Bow.
like you. There are diamond days, and you can buy 'em anywhere. For you to get to him, I'd have to move over, and
I'm gonna sit right here. Is it sit, stand, or what?
Huh?
Sit, stand, or stay?
Stand right here. While you can. You ain't
Ain't woman enough to take my man.
don't touch.
No, you gotta dance! You gotta dance!
It's got a radio too.
Does it? Oh yeah, right here's the antenna back here.
The man's caught looking at things that he don't need. He took us.
Yay!
Yay!
That's